Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, your Cinderella here in Turkey. Today's vlog is something very unexpected. Kasi guys, imagine this. April na. Spring season na dapat. Pero guess what? Umulan ng yelo dito sa Istanbul. Yes, you heard it right. Hindi lang ulan, kundi parang maliliit na bato. Hail. Kanina, everything felt normal. The weather was a bit cold. Yes, pero you can already feel spring coming. Yung mga tao sa labas, naka-light jackets na. Some are even enjoying coffee outside. Then suddenly, the sky turned gray. Medyo naging madilim. And after a few minutes, boom! Biglang bumuhos ang ulan. Pero, hindi siya ordinary rain. It was ice rain. Hailstones falling from the sky. At first, akala ko normal lang na ulan. Pero when I look outside, narinig ko yung tick-tick-tick sound sa windows. And then, I saw it. Mga maliliit na yellow bouncing on the ground. Parang may nagtatapon ng tiny ice rocks from the sky. Honestly, nakaka-amaze siya tingnan. Pero at the same time, medyo scary din. Kasi imagine, you're just walking outside thinking it's spring. Then suddenly, boom! You're being hit by ice? Sa Pilipinas, we don't usually experience this kind of weather. So for me, it's really shocking and interesting at the same time. Dito sa Turkey, especially in Istanbul, the weather can be very unpredictable. Very unpredictable talaga, as in. One moment, it feels like spring. The next, parang winter ulit. Wow, ano to? And that's what makes this place so unique. You really need to be prepared all the time. Umbrella, jacket, kahit maaraw pa sa umaga. Kasi hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari sa hapon. Life is kind of like this weather. Sometimes you expect sunshine, pero biglang may storm. Sometimes akala mo everything is smooth, then suddenly challenges come unexpected, just like this hail. But just like today, after the hail stopped, everything became calm again. The sky slowly cleared and life went back to normal. So maybe that's the lesson for today. No matter how unexpected or hard things get, it will pass. Just like the rain in the middle of the spring. So ayun guys. This is my unexpected experience here in Turkey. So if you ever plan to visit Istanbul, make sure you're always ready for surprises like this. And hindi lang talaga i-ready mo yung sarili mo emotionally, physically, mentally, as in all aspects talaga. Kailangan mong maging handa all the time. Kasi hindi mo alam kung ano ang mangyayari. every minutes, every seconds, everything change. Kaya, sa lahat ng bagay, sa lahat ng oras, maging vigilante tayo, maging mapagmasid tayo sa lahat ng bagay para din sa ating kaligtasan. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, even in the middle of a storm, you can still be your own Cinderella. Bye-bye, everyone! Ingat sa pag-uwi, careful, and always put God in your heart. God bless you. Bye-bye, everyone!